turn on the car. I'm gonna wait a little bit and turn off the car, and the fan still staying on after I remove the key. Now the fan is on. You can hear it. So now I'm gonna remove the key, and I'm gonna show you the fan still stay on. Fan number 1, cooling fan number 2, 12 and 13, 12 and 13, which is right here. The 2 connector for the fan is really modulus. It's kind of risky to put my hand in there, you know, to disconnect the connector for the fan to stop. So I'm just gonna remove the fuse. Temperature sensor, I'm gonna replace that first, and because if this is not working, the fan doesn't know how hot the engine is, so that's why it's keep on staying on. So I'm gonna replace this first, and then we'll see what's going on after that. And the coolant, you can see the coolant is full right when you mark it. Here is the new engine coolant temperature sensor. I don't know if that's a part number right there. Or this one is the part number, I'm not sure. So I'm gonna replace it now. You wanna do this as fast as possible because you don't wanna lose too much coolant, you know. Woo! I'm gonna put back the connector. So I got the coolant temperature sensor in. Now I'm gonna turn on the car, see if the fans still stay on. We'll wait till the fan kick on. Okay, the fan is on. Okay, that did not solve it. It still doesn't work. The fan still stays on with the key off. I might have misread the check engine light code. It's saying that engine coolant temperature thermostat below threshold, something like that. And so I bought the thermostats. Here's the whole housing. That's the thermostat, and here's the part number for the thermostat. 2 coolant hose. Here's the old one I got out. The O-ring. Make sure before you replace it, before you put in a new one, scrape the surface. Make sure it's clean and smooth before you put in a new one. Here is the code for the thermostat. This was the original code. I probably read it wrong. Don't worry about these. So I'm gonna clear it first before I start the car. See if the fan still stays on when I turn off the key. So clear the code, cycle the key on. I'm gonna wait till it kick on first, and then I'm gonna turn off the key. Check your coolant, refill it to the exact mark. Before, with the fan stays on, when I start the car, when I first start the car, it only takes the car about 3 seconds for the fan to kick in, even though the engine is cold. So that was the code for the thermostat P0128 for the ECT sensor. That was for the gauges, just in case if your coolant gauge is not working, so you would replace that. Right now it's not kicking in yet because the engine's not hot yet, so I'm gonna wait a little bit, see if it kicks in. check the thermostat one more time all around. Make sure there's no coolant leak around there. Check the heater, see if it's hot. Turn it on max, on heat, everything. So that way you know the thermostat is opening up. To check and see if the thermostat open or closed, check the upper hose, feel if it's hot, because the thermostat should be opening up and letting out the hot coolant to cool down. Lower hose right here, also hot, so we're good. The heater should be hot by now. It's really hot right now. So the fan kicks in when it's supposed to. Let me see, turn off the keys, see if the fan's still on. Nope. So that's good, guys. That's it. We're done.